Certainly the business of county cricket's not a romantic business. It's a hard business. You know, our profitability is hard earned. We're very proud of that, but it doesn't come easily. You know, opportunities like this arise. You're immediately interested because A, it's doing something good, but it's also saving us money. I know, handing over from my predecessor, the impact of resource energy cost hikes in the last budget year took our budget from a place of profitability to the opposite. It can be expensive to be sustainable, right? You've sort of got to balance out the cost initiatives with the cost improvements, but also the social responsibility to generate your energy. When the opportunity came to partner with GB NRG, all those things came into balance quite well, quite quickly. So it was a straightforward decision and enables us to now plan further about how we can become more sustainable. Because I think every business now accepts that it's the right thing to do and that we all want to head in this direction if the doors are open for us. The business of sport is, it comes with inflation, it has expense. So any way that you can look to save money, but also do it in a responsible, sustainable way is something absolutely we've appreciated. You immediately drill into, okay, what does it look like? How does this become something even bigger? So we've got some ground redevelopment plans that we're currently investigating. This is really just about our cricket pavilion right now. So really our thinking now goes to, if we are to undertake a broader redevelopment plan, how does this affect that? And how can that operate responsibly and sustainably? That was always part of our project planning, but I guess with this now it just becomes a sharper focus. From the process of conception to installation couldn't have gone smoother. They've managed the project incredibly well. The design they pulled together just made it even more attractive for us. So there was clearly a lot of thought had gone into how they were going to deliver something. Our club ops team, I know, have found dealing with the company very, very good, very straightforward. Their project management's been fabulous. There was very little business imposition. They probably took 3 or 4 days to install the panels on the roof. You wouldn't have known they were there. And we're soon ready to switch it on. So it's been a very positive experience, very service-driven experience, and something which we've been very appreciative of. Very professional, very positive, very service-driven, and clearly, yes, they're very passionate about what they do. It's been a very good experience to date. Pick up the phone to GB NRG.